Welcome to a new video and episode on my Raspberry Pi 3 mounted on a PiXtend PLC, Programmable Logic Control, which is also attached to some electronics. A PLC is an industrial computer, and as such it has several not PC-like connections and devices. 4 relays, RS232 and RS485, pulses modulation, also extremely digital out, analog in, analog out and digital in. Also serial. Well, I already mentioned that. This is connected to the RS232 and digital out to some electronics with a Fisher Technique LED, and this is digital in, which works. The digital out, for some are connected to probes for an oscilloscope. And that gives an interesting thought. Also interesting is I'm trying to make contact using a serial terminal, and I still need to find out why that doesn't work. Also using the Octave scientific environment and programming side to get some serial data over the line is not working right now, working yet. That is for introduction. Let's see for some software, because those give that gives some more insight. So another view with Tiger VNC virtual desktop, Python, which sends serial data. It also sends out digital output. PX Auto test environment. Then a terminal in which I start this program. Secure shell to be able to start the VNC server. Serial terminal which doesn't do anything yet. Obviously another camera, and this is this is another camera pointed at the oscilloscope, and you can see it is set to 20 volts. And this is a bit weird, because now each cell is 20 volts, and the signal itself is slightly higher than 10 volts. So I could theoretically change this and change this, but then you get a little bit overlap. So let's see whatever happens. This, by the way, should still be a straight line, all 4 of them. The fact that they aren't, and let me change the time base, these are strange signals. So this one is very different from this one, is different from this one, is different, is alike from as this one, but these are different, and they are all digital signal. Why is that? I have no idea. So let's go here. This is 20, and now I'm at 100 volts. So yes, that signal is not reliable, not as such. So let's start digital output with the test. And I say true. That's not true, by the way, because I have to go here. This one is true, and if I'm correct, oh, that one starts, and I will have to move the camera over here, and then you see here a digital output. So if I say false, it should go off. Yeah. I go here and I say right. You can't see it, and now you can. So that is this one. So true, true, and true. And now all four of them are burning. And I better change the position of the camera to keep looking at them. And that is better. So if I now say false, what happens to the signal? I still see no significant differences. So this is false and this is false. Then I quit this one and I go here, go. And still no difference. Alright. There's no relay output, but what I can do now is find out why Minicom isn't doing anything, and leave the digital output alone, because I still have to find out more about it. And then you realize you make a classical error, because everything concerning the digital input and output was not grounded. So let's do it again. Digital out. True. No, I have to go here. True, 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 and true. And then change the voltage. That is interesting. Keep it at 5. And 5. Everything at 5 volts. But I still have everything true, which should give some pulse, which it doesn't. So, quitting again, and now see what the program does. Which is still remarkably little, not to say very little. They should already have given some nice output, which is clearly not the case. So, leaning over, and those were all the outputs. Again, and there's no corresponding response on the side of the oscilloscope. So I can continue with that, but to no avail, I'm afraid. Nice signal, but still not what I want or need. which brings me back to relays. Yeah, I can put them all on and off. Well, let me just do that. This one is relay 0. Okay, I can do that, and then put relay 1 as well on it to use all of them. 1 and 1. Save. Go. And mind here. Oh, and then I have to press this button. And now you can see more. So when I press this button of the digital input, you should be able to see is this one anyway. First one this, and then here. So I should put the camera here, and then you can see better. This is the first, and then the second one. They are not as bright on the camera, but I assure you with the bare eye it is bright. And then of course do the same for this one, which means this is relay 3. Stop this one and go. And then all of them. Oh wait, that's a little mistake. Then they all work. Proven. So all the relays are proven to work. The digital outputs are proven to work as well, considering the LEDs. But then why don't I get anything from the output? Which might be due to the settings, which are, let me take a look. Digital 0, 4 and digital 4 and 5. So those are all only applicable here to the last ones. It doesn't say anything about the first ones. So that's still a mystery. As to why, I don't know. I also checked for the Minicom thing, but so far I'm afraid that this one, reading from here on the other side, which means this side, is not going to work out as far as I can tell. I can try the Octave stuff. But that won't work out. And I should have done this a little bit earlier, but so be it. Right. Yep, there we go. And edit, open, and then I have to take this one and go. All settings are normal, and I should, by the way, close this one now. Right, go in here. It doesn't do a thing. No data recorded. So mysteries still going on. I wish it was different. I hope better next time. So, with a little improvement in grounding the probes and now activating all switches, all relays I should say, that's it. Not spectacular, but hopefully slowly coming to a solution. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. What should I do? What should I not do? Always welcome. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. More information under this video. You can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. Again, more information under this video and on my website. Take also a look at my Patreon page, which is also mentioned under this video. This is to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.